Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can get free coins on Daraz app. If you have an account on Daraz and you want to get coins in free to get some discount on your purchase, then you can do it. For that, just open your Daraz app on your mobile phone. Now when you open this, just click at account option. Here at the bottom you can see there are different options. At the very right side, just click on this account option. When you click on this, now here at the left side you can see draws coins, and you can read the description. Check in daily to earn 500 coins. Just simply click on this collect option, and now it's first day. Just click on first day and click on check in and get 500 coins. When you click on this, here your coins have been added. So this is the way how you can get coins. Now you will come again, and next day you will get 700 coins, and next day you will get 720 coins. So in this way you can collect more coins and you will get some discount on your purchase.